Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. We will be continuing our discussion of developing Java programs based on string processing. So the first program that we discuss today is to enter a sentence and to display the longest word in the sentence. For example, here the sample input is India is a great country, and the output, the longest word in the sentence is country. So the question is to enter any sentence and the program must display the longest word in the given sentence. So we discuss the statements of the program for finding the longest word in the given sentence. Class long. Long is the class name given. Public void find longest. String str. Str is the string type variable for storing the sentence entered by the user. Curly brace, and we use string functions to remove the blank spaces from the beginning and end of the string, if any. Then we add a blank space at the end of the string. We add a blank space at the end of the string. This blank space is concatenated at the end of the string to count the last word. By the logic we adopt here, to count the last word, we concatenate a blank space at the end of the string, at the end of the sentence entered. That is why we write the statement here, str equals str plus space. We find the length of the function, length of the sentence, and is stored in the variable len. The number of characters in the given sentence is stored in the variable len. Variable ch of char type for storing each character of the string, and the variable pos for storing the start index position. The variable pos is for storing the start index position, because we will be abstracting each word and will be storing in a variable by using substring function. So as we know, substring function, for the format we need to specify the start index position. So here the variable pos is defined to store the start index position, and that is initialized to 0. The variable pos, which is used for storing the start index position, is initialized to 0. The variable w of string type which is initialized to null string, is used for storing each word of the sentence. The variable w of string type is used for storing each word of the sentence. And variable lw, the variable lw is used for storing the length of the each word. The variable lw is used for storing the length of each word or the number of characters in each word, and that is initialized to 0. Here the variable max of string type is used for storing the longest word. The variable max here is used for storing the longest word, and that is also initialized to 0, initialized to null string. The variable max also initialized to null string. The variable max is for storing the longest word. And the variable lmax of int type is used for storing the length of the longest word. The variable lmax is used for storing the length of the longest word, which is initialized to 0. We create a loop starting from the initial value 0 less than len, and the updation is I++. And each character from the beginning is extracted and stored in the variable ch. Each character starting from the first index position or 0th index position is extracted and is stored in the variable ch. Curly brace. And then we check the value of ch. If ch equals 32, 32 is the ASCII code of the blank space. If ch equals 32, that means if ch equals a blank space, that means one word is over. One word is over. Then we extract that word by using substring function and store it in the variable w. If a blank space is encountered, then that word, the word that is just over, that means the word is extracted by using substring function and is stored in the variable w. As you know, the substring function extracts a group of characters from the given string starting from the initial index up to the end index character, excluding the end index character. The substring function extracts a group of characters starting from the initial index up to the end index, excluding the end index character. So here, when ch equals 32, the value of I will be the index position of the blank space. The index position of the blank space. Therefore, the blank space will not be extracted. The blank space will not be extracted. And pos, pos is the variable that is where the start index is stored. Pos is the variable where the value of the start index is stored. And initially, pos is initialized to 0. Pos is initialized to 0 in the beginning. So here, the first word, when the program is executed, the first word will be stored in the variable w. Then, we use the variable lw for storing the number of characters in the word. We use length function for finding the length of the word that we have extracted, and that is initialized to the variable lw. Lw is the variable for storing the length of the word, the length of each word. Here, when the program starts executing, the length of the first word will be stored in the variable lw, and the first word will be stored in the variable w. And then we check whether lw is the length of the word, each word, whether if lw greater than lmax. What is lmax? Lmax is the variable for storing the length of the longest word. Lmax is the variable for storing the length of the longest word. If lw greater than lmax, if the condition is true, then lmax equal to lw and max equal to w. Max is the variable for storing the longest word, and lmax is the variable for storing the length of the longest word. Here, when the first word is started and is stored in the variable w, and the length of the first word is stored in the variable lw, of course lw will be greater than lmax, because lmax is initially initialized to 0. lmax is initially initialized to 0. So lw will be greater than lmax. Then that length which is stored in the variable lw will be stored in the variable lmax, and the first word which is started will be stored in the variable max. Max we know is the variable for storing the longest word. So here when the program starts executing, what is stored in the variable lmax will be the length of the first word, and what is stored in the variable max will be the first word. Okay. Then when the program proceeds, if the length of any word found greater than lmax, when the program proceeds, if any word or the length of any word found greater than lmax, then lmax and max will be replaced by that respective values. That means the length of that word which will be stored in the variable lmax, and that word will be replaced in the variable max. So when the process is completed, what is stored in the variable lmax will be the length of the longest word, and what is stored in the variable w will be the longest word. Okay. Then after the first word is extracted, we must update the value of pos. Pos, as you know, is the variable for storing the start index. So initially the start index is assigned to 0. So when the first word is extracted, after the first word is extracted, the value of the pos must be updated. So that is why we write the statement here, pos equals I plus 1. Pos equals I plus 1. What is I first? First I is initially 0. When the first word is started, I becomes the index position of the blank space. So next word, the next position, the next starting position is the beginning letter of the next word. That is why we write pos equal to I plus 1. Pos equal to I plus 1. So at present I represents the index position of the blank space. So to get the next word, the pos must be updated as pos equal to I plus 1. We close the brace for if and close the brace for loop. Then next we have to display what are the values which are stored in the variable max and lmax. System.out.println longest word in the sentence. Max, what is the word stored in the variable max will be displayed, and the length of the longest word that is stored in the variable lmax will be displayed. So this is the program for entering a sentence and display the longest word of the sentence. I think you follow the statements and logic of the program. Then we see the variable description of the program. The variable description is very important because there are a number of variables in this program. As we have already discussed, the variable str for storing the sentence entered by the user, variable len for storing length of the string, ch for storing each character of the string, pos for storing the start index position, I is the loop control variable, w string type variable for storing each word of the sentence, lw for storing the length of each word, max for storing the longest word, and lmax for storing the length of the longest word. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.